Hey everyone, welcome back to Aspiring Writer Academy, where we're all about helping you write, publish, and promote your fictional novel. Whether you're just starting out or have been writing for years, this channel is here to support authors of all levels who want to keep growing and take their writing to the next level. So in this video, I'm talking about how to properly format your ebook for Amazon KDP, getting all those paragraph indentations and styling, how to delete those tabs for a nice, clean Microsoft Word document. And so right here, I'm on chapter 1, and I can see this document, the author has been using the tab tool to indent for each paragraph. A long time ago, while formatting, had to manually delete every single tab throughout the whole manuscript. So a cool shortcut, instead of manually going through the entire manuscript and deleting every tab indentation, is you can click Control-H to bring up this Find and Replace tool, and then you're gonna add that upward V and then T, and that is gonna find every spot in the manuscript that the tab button was used. So leave that blank, and you're gonna click Replace All. This will find every tab in the entire manuscript and remove that. All done. 261 replacements have been made. And after clicking the Replace All, you can click Close. I'm gonna hit Control-A to select every bit of text in this entire manuscript. And then you're gonna wanna click over that highlighted text, do a right click and select Paragraph. Then that paragraph brings where we can adjust the indents and spacing of all the text on this manuscript. Then for the indentation on the inside, enter 0. On outside, enter 0. And then for special, we're gonna click first line, and we're gonna bop that down to from the 0.5 to 0.3, which is the industry standard for fiction ebooks. Then you can go ahead and hit OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and advice to help you write, publish, and promote your novel. By the way, if you're looking for a little extra help to kickstart your story, don't forget to download our free Brainstorming Your Story Idea worksheet. I'll have the link to that in the description below. It has a bunch of super easy fill-in-the-blank templates and story examples to help you nail down your setting, characters, plot, and more. All right, catch you next time.